slide this off on my side. Alright, so here's the receipt. Clearly he says there's no promotion, so they charged me $7. Well, it's supposed to be $4.99, so $2.01 plus tax. Alright. Alright, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pepperoni is 8 piece, salami is only 7 piece, and there are 4 pieces of American cheese. And as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. 4 cucumbers and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomatoes. That's it. Alright, so they not only charged me extra $2 and gave me only supposed to be 6 pieces of veggies, but they only gave 4. So you can see that's 50% less. I mean 33% less. And for the pepperoni, that's 20% less, and for the salami, it's 30% less. All right, that's for this store. Oh, did I get a receipt? Oh shoot. Oh, right here, perfect. All right, here's the receipt. I think I already recorded this, but just in case. Having a bad memory today. All right, yep.